So today I'm here to get my dream camera, and it's not a Sony and it's not a Fuji.
You excited?
Like you wouldn't believe, this is crazy. I've come into these stores a lot, every time we travel to different cities, but never thought I'd be coming in to buy one. So this is like a dream come true. Okay, so we just left the store. I'm super excited. I honestly thought I was gonna have a lot more adrenaline than I did. Maybe it's because it hasn't hit me yet. You know, when you're buying something that big, your heart starts going a little bit, but yeah, we got it. We got the M.
The last one.
The last one. So what's really cool about this is the guy told me that this was the last one that they had. It was on display. And if I didn't want to buy the display model, I just wouldn't have been able to walk away with one today. But I was the first person to actually take a picture with the camera, so I'm pretty sure it's a brand new camera. So not worried about that, but I'm just excited to go use it. All right, so this is the big moment I've been waiting for about a week now, because I bought this camera and I didn't have a lens for it, so I didn't want to unbox it and do anything like that. I kind of wanted to go through that experience here on camera. So let's check this out. Awesome. So yeah, it comes in this cool little Leica bag when you go to the store. There's a couple of brochures and stuff with people's names on it. I went to a store here in Italy. I live in Italy. And I went to the one in Bologna. Oh, that's an invoice. I definitely don't want to look at that right now. But yeah, this is the box. It's a silver box. A lot of unboxing videos, you'll probably see the same one. I don't think they've changed much over the last like 10 years with these boxes. So, you know, it's just something to keep note of. Lets you know that you've got a Leica M11-P, and then you've got, it shows you the sort of the color, the version, you know, all of that good stuff on the side. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this right now. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with this thing in German and in English. It's funny, I bought it in Italy, and it's not in German and Italian, it's in German and English. I guess no matter where you get it in the world, it's gonna be like that. So, Leica World, I think that's what that says in German. And then it's just some things like experience the world of photography. So there's that. What is this? Just some more products, I guess, that they sell. After you buy a camera, you're probably not gonna wanna go and buy a whole lot more products. Oh, this is just the, register your product so you can get some support in case anything happens. I can't read that, that's German. Oh, this is my serial number, and it's signed. It shows you this product was meticulously examined by experienced professionals. Oh, that's kind of cool. So it says who the person was that built it and packaged it. That's kind of nice. More documentation, boring stuff. Leica Society International. That's really cool. Hey, Fuji. When I opened up my X-T5, I didn't get anything like this, so. Oh, in the booklet. Yeah, I don't really care for these, you know? I feel like nowadays I can just download the English PDF version of it and just use that. So yeah, they gave you this nice little booklet there, but that's kind of the same as every camera. Gonna remove this big, thick piece of styrofoam. Battery charger. Batteries for this thing are pretty expensive. I think they're like 200 bucks a piece, and unlike with other camera manufacturers, I don't think I've seen a lot of third-party batteries. So yeah, I'm gonna have to stick with one battery for now. But I will say that I've heard only good things about the battery life. Apparently the battery life lasts all day and then some, so I'm not gonna be worried about that. But they give you this really nice hard plastic one that lets you know whether it's fully charged or it's charged at 80%. They give you this cool cable. It's kind of funny that they give you these cables now because iPhones are switching over to USB-C, and so this lightning connector really doesn't do a whole lot for most people anymore. I still do have a a lightning connector on my phone, so that's nice. What else? Here's this, another cable. Oh, this is the strap. All right, damn. Okay, this one's pretty nice. This is basically like a leather strap. Ooh, it's really soft on the inside and leather on the outside. I guess when you're buying a Leica, they want to make sure that you get the premium experience. So when you buy another camera like a Sony or a Fuji, you get like a really thick nylon strap that actually advertises the brand. Not that I can see here. Leica does not have anything that advertises that is Leica. So this is definitely gonna be a keeper. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna want a third-party strap after using this. What else? There's another little baggie here. It's got some, oh, these are like chargers and stuff like that, you know, like international charging stuff, little charging stuff, yeah. Over here is another charging cable, I guess. This is for like Android phones, and then it's just like a regular USB-A to USB-C charger. So nothing, no big deal there, but I guess I'll keep these little pouches, you know, they're kind of cool. But the moment I've been waiting for the better part of a week now, and that is the actual camera body. Oh, I'm gonna toss that aside. Yeah, so one of the things that was interesting about buying this camera is that it was the only one in the store that was left. Like, I didn't have any other ones, and this was the display model. So I was able to hold it in my hand and, you know, check it out and stuff like that, but I was already pretty sure before I walked in there that I really wanted this camera. I wasn't gonna be torn between the Q3, the SL3, or anything like that. This was the one that I wanted. So yeah, this is it, right? This is the Leica M11-P, all black. I love this color. It's kind of like a soft black. And I've seen the ones with the black paint. I would have loved to have one of those too, but you know what? I'm not gonna go ahead and be too choosy right now. I'm really just glad I got one of these. And because I couldn't open this a week ago, I did finally get my lens in the mail. It wasn't another Leica lens. I've already spent a little too much on the Leica, so maybe that's something in the future, but for now, I'm gonna go with one of these. This is the Voigtlander Nocton 28mm Aspherical 2. So this is an f2 lens. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this right now, open this up. This is a lot less premium. As you can imagine, I believe this was about $850 on Amazon. So tiny, tiny little lens, look at this. And I believe like half of this is lens cap. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's got a nice little focusing knob. And let me go ahead and see if I can just go ahead and put this on. Here, let's see. Ooh, that's it. It's on there. Wow, look at this. It's so small. It's such a small little setup compared to my X-T5 and zoom lens. It's gonna actually have to take some getting used to, but you know what? It feels dense. It feels like I'm holding a brick in my hand. So hopefully I'll get used to the weight, because I feel like this may be just a little bit lighter than the setup that I'm used to with the X-T5 and the zoom lens. But look at this. You know, you can see how small of a setup this is. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, one of the reasons why a lot of people wanted to see this Leica in black paint is because a lot of the lenses that Voigtlander sells have that sort of black paint look. So there's a little bit of a mismatch there if you get close enough and see, but honestly, I'm not complaining. Boom. Yeah. This is great. Let me see if I can go ahead and hear the shutter on this. Let's do 1/125th of a second. Man, I love the sound of that. That's one of the things that really sells me on these cameras, because I'm so used to with the X-T5 having an electronic shutter, burst mode, zoom lens, a big camera with thick grip, that this is just, it feels like buying a really, really nice pen as opposed to just typing things. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, so I'm really excited about this. If you guys want to see a review of this, let me know in the comments section. But until then, just keep shooting, guys.